Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can make your own double-sided strop with a handle on it for sharpening knives. It's got a smooth side for honing the edge and then a rough side for fine sharpening. Really useful if you've got loads of blunt knives or straight razors, things like that. Really good for sharpening them. Really easy to make, cheap and simple. So I've got this old piece of pine. It came off a chest of drawers. It should be decent quality because it's quite old and it's nice and thick. It's about just over 20 millimeters thick, and I want the strop to be around 50 millimeters wide, so there's just enough space there. I can cut this trimmed edge off, and then lengthwise I would like it to be around 30 centimeters. So I want 20 centimeters for the main part of the strop where the lever is going to be, and then 10 centimeters for the handle. So I started off by setting the fence on the table saw to rip down the piece of wood to 5 centimeters in thickness. Then using the speed square I marked out the length of the strop, which will be 30 centimeters. Using the mitre gauge on the table saw I cut the strop to length. So now I wanted to mark out the area where the handle will go. So I measured up 10 centimeters and made a mark, and then followed that mark all the way around the piece. Now I've got a round over bit in the trim router, and I decided to round over the handle area using those lines as a reference and just working up to them closely, taking my time, and that should make for a nice comfortable handle. You could, if you wanted to, use a bandsaw to cut out a handle shape, but I thought this would be quicker and I thought it would be just fine. Then I just refined the areas at the top with a knife. Now onto the lever. I've got 2 pieces pre-cut. I got this lever from an old sofa. Now I need to attach a piece on either side. So I've got a little block of scrap wood there just covering the handle so that it doesn't get glue on it. And I'm putting 1 piece rough side up, 1 piece smooth side up, and to attach the lever I'm using this spray adhesive. This needs to go on both surfaces. I left it a while to go tacky, and then I could begin applying it. So now I'm putting the pieces of leather onto a flat piece of wood and just gently pressing the strop onto the lever. Then I could cover the handle again and spray the other side. And then flip the piece over and gently push down onto the other piece of leather. And then I added another piece of wood and some weight to compress it down until the glue sets. Now for removing the excess. First of all, I'm just using some scissors to cut off the excess here so that I've got better access to the bottom side. You'll see how that works in a moment. Now I could take a nice sharp blade and remove the lever. You can see it gives me better access to get to the bottom part. And I followed the edge of the strop around, working on a cutting mat. And then I could flip the piece over and do the other side. Now to clean up the area where the lever meets the handle, I'm using the speed square to cut a nice clean edge and using those pencil marks I made earlier as a guide. Then I gave a sanding to the handle to make it nice and smooth. And then I just brushed the rough side of the lever to remove any bits. For the finish, I decided to go with some boiled linseed oil. You don't need to finish it, but this will keep it cleaner for longer and make it look a bit nicer too. And I applied that with a brush. Once that was dry, I buffed off any excess with a cloth. And for a final touch, I decided to add one of these little rings to the bottom of the handle, using the combination square just to centralise the hole and marking it with an awl. And then I drilled a pilot hole, and this will allow for the strop to be hung on a nail for storage. Right, so that is the double-sided strop all made. The handle feels good. So you can imagine you can take your knife and use this to start to sharpen and hone the blade. For the coarse side, I use this green general purpose cutting compound. Warm that up a little bit, especially if you're in a cold workshop. Apply it to the rough side and then start sharpening like so, and then you can flip it over and you can use, I've got some fine white compound here. I'll leave links to these compounds in the description box, my Amazon links if you're interested. But you can add the very fine compound to the smooth side, or you could just use the lever itself, and that is just to hone that edge and continue to work with a super sharp cutting edge. For example, a knife or a razor, a barber's razor for example. I think I'll leave the full demonstration how to use a strop for another video, so please look out for that one, and when I've made that I'll link it in the description box of this video. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So I think it turned out pretty good. Nice strong old pine. I reckon this will last for many years to come, and when the leather does get really raggedy and old, you can remove it and replace it. Rough side and smooth side, really useful and versatile. As I say, in a future video I will show how to use a strop. I'll go into more detail on that. But I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.